So today is our last night spending here in Sedona. Today we are going to some trails nearby since yesterday we went to the Grand Canyon and that was like a couple hours away. We wanted to like stick more so in the area. So I'm excited to check out the trails. It has been really nice to spend more time in nature and appreciate what God has created for us. So I'm really excited.
We found ourselves where peace met Abba. And Abba met us.
So we have to walk around this place 3 times and make wishes.
Okay, I'll follow your lead. Our prayers were colorful whispers floating in midair. We found compassion with one another. And held it close to our hearts.
I want one in the center. I want it to be big so that in the center we can put a stacked rock.
Okay.
So much cacao.
All the magnesium and the protein.
Which one has protein? The nuts? This is crazy.
We must come, pure of heart, to the mountain he built for us, stone by stone. Father, who may worship at your sanctuary, who may enter your presence on your holy hill. You gave us refuge. To cleanse. Our wild souls. For wild good.
Doing the hard work. Okay, and then should I wear? No, I feel like because this is silver.
Maybe not then.
I feel like I have some silver jewelry.
Oh, that'd probably be better because this is covered in ash.
We are at Bell Rock Point to do a photo shoot. So we got back to the Airbnb, we got comfy and just watched Steven Universe on her awesome projector. Then in the middle of the night, we realized we didn't have water because it was all in the car. And when we looked outside, there was a family of boars.
What the fuck? Is it a pig?
I think so. So we just stayed inside just in case anything happened. That's how we ended our night.
It looks kind of cute. I don't know. I think it still looks kind of creepy.
We'd never seen a boar before, so it was an interesting experience. Oh, and I also wanted to show off these lights that I put up. I thought it looked so whimsical, tied around the staircase.
Is it a tiger or is it birds?
Oh, I didn't see the birds.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it does smell.
It smells like my sauna.
Before heading home on the 7-hour drive, we decided to stop by the stores that were around our Airbnb, and we found this really cute cafe that had really bomb food. Amaze balls.
Amaze balls.
There were so many cute shops, like a bookstore, a chai tea cafe, a candle shop. We also found this crystal store that we ended up going through. Trippy. It had 2 stories. There was like a little secret garden in the back, which happened to just be a lot of different figurines. So that was so fun to explore. And yeah, we just had an awesome time. I'm sad to say it's over, but I'm excited to plan more trips like this.
Oh my gosh, Doctor Who vibe.
Oh my god.
The angel.
This is my ideal shape.
She's giving us a 360 right now. Okay, Queen, slay. Alright, I love it.
That's my gym vibe.